Let Asset Drone help provide crisp, actionable photos and video of your construction site. Our customers use this for site progress and timeline photos, updates, and improved communication with owners and day-to-day site management. We also specialize in inspecting hard-to-reach areas such as steel, tower features, high walls, roofs, and other dangerous areas that traditionally require ropes, scaffolding, or ladders to inspect. Help reduce fall risks with the efficiency of a remotely piloted drone. Import photos, point clouds, and 3D models directly into your compatible software and BIM platforms. Your architects and engineers can quickly compare plan versus as-built field conditions right on the screen. Available interactive 3D models give owners and investors a high-impact deliverable and provide a unique view of the entire project, all through an easy-to-use web interface. These models can also be imported into your own software. Asset Drone also has proprietary survey and topographic mapping capabilities. We can deliver highly accurate topographic maps with contour lines of between 1 and several hundred acres in just a few days. Get a quick topography map to confirm that the grade is correct right before you pour your parking lot for a very affordable rate. We have LiDAR and thermal imaging options available as well, and we operate in all 50 states. Our pilots are safety-focused, we're licensed by the FAA, and we maintain drone-specific liability insurance policies of several $1 million. Contact Asset Drone today for a quick estimate. Visit us on the web at assetdrone.com, call us at 833-ASSET-DRONE, or email us at info@assetdrone.com.